Most people think a $1,200 set of name brand tires is an investment in safety, but the data tells a different story. You are often paying a 40% logo tax for a tire that rots out at 35,000 miles. Meanwhile, there's a subculture of high-mileage drivers crossing the 80,000-mile mark on tires that cost half as much. Today, we are burning the marketing brochures and looking at the raw wear data of 8 brands that the big manufacturers hope you never compare side by side. If you think the cheap option is always the dangerous one, number 1 on this list is going to prove you wrong in the next 10 minutes. Number 8. Yokohama. Everyone knows Yokohama from the racetrack, but the real shocker is their orange oil technology. While other brands use petroleum-based oils that harden over time, Yokohama uses oil extracted from orange peels to keep the rubber pliable at a molecular level. This means at 40,000 miles, your tires are still grippy instead of turning into hard, dangerous plastic. They've taken endurance racing tech, where tires have to survive 24 hours of absolute torture, and put it into the avid ascent. It's a performance tire that behaves like a longevity tire. Number 7. Hankook. Hankook is no longer the alternative choice, they are the choice. They've invested billions into control technology to ensure the tire contact patch stays perfectly flat. Most tires cup or wear on the edges because of poor internal pressure distribution. Hankook's Ventus and Dynapro lines are engineered to wear so evenly that you'll often find the tread depth is identical across the entire tire, even after 50,000 miles. It's why companies like Porsche are now putting these on their SUVs from the factory. If it's good enough for a $100,000 Cayenne, why are you overpaying for your sedan? Number 6. Sumitomo. With a history stretching back 400 years, Sumitomo understands the long game. They don't build tires for the first 5,000 miles, they build them for the last 5,000. Their HTR and Encounter lines use a rigid tread block design that prevents tread squirm. When a tire squirms, it builds up heat. Heat is the #1 killer of tires. By keeping the tread block stable, Sumitomo effectively lowers the operating temperature of the rubber, adding years to the tire's life. It's a budget-friendly tire built with a zero-waste engineering philosophy. Number 5. Firestone. Firestone is the American workhorse that got a Japanese brain transplant when Bridgestone bought them. This resulted in a tire that has the ruggedness required for American roads, but the precision of Japanese manufacturing. The Destination series is arguably the best bang for your buck in the SUV world. While you might be tempted by a luxury SUV tire, Firestone uses a long link carbon structure that creates a reinforced molecular chain. It's literally harder to tear this rubber apart than it is the stuff found on tires costing $100 more per corner. Number 4. Laufenn. Laufenn is the insider brand. It's owned by Hankook, built in the same high-tech factories, and uses the same core patents, but it's marketed to the budget-conscious. Think of it as a generic drug that has the exact same active ingredients as the brand name. The G-Fit and X-Fit series are masterclasses in essentialism. They stripped away the fancy sidewall lettering and the massive marketing budgets to give you a tire that just works. If you're a daily commuter who just wants a quiet, safe 60,000 miles, this is the smartest secret on the list. Number 3. Nexen. If you've bought a new Kia or Hyundai lately, you've probably been riding on Nexens without realizing it. They are the fastest growing tire brand in the world for one reason: AI-driven design. They use supercomputers to simulate millions of miles of wear before a single mold is poured. This next-century approach allows them to offer a 20 to 40% price discount while maintaining the safety standards of a premium European brand. They're the only manufacturer currently bold enough to use AI to optimize pitch variation, making their tires significantly quieter than brands twice their price. Number 2. GT Radial. GT Radial is the efficiency king. Based in Singapore and tested in the brutal heat of Indonesia, these tires are built to survive environments that would melt a standard tire. They've become the go-to for the new generation of electric vehicles because their EV-ready compounds can handle the instant tire-shredding torque of an electric motor. If a GT Radial can handle the weight and power of a Tesla for 50,000 miles, imagine how long it'll last on your standard Corolla. They're the official race tire for the Subaru BRZ series, proving that value doesn't mean slow. Number 1. Uniroyal. For 130 years, Uniroyal has been known as the rain tire. While every other brand tries to be everything to everyone, Uniroyal focused on one thing, not hydroplaning. They developed shark skin technology, a tread pattern that mimics the scales of a shark to move water away from the tire faster than physics should allow. But here's the secret. Because they're backed by the massive R&D of Michelin, they get trickle-down longevity tech. You're essentially getting a Michelin-engineered carcass with a specialized wet weather tread for a fraction of the cost. It's the ultimate cheat code for drivers who want maximum safety and maximum mileage without the premium invoice. You might think you're a pro at checking your tread, but there's a specific way tires lie to you that could cost you your transmission or your life. If you want to see the 5 tire maintenance myths that are actually destroying your car right now, click the video on your screen. Don't buy your next set until you see what we've uncovered.